This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 25.4 is a Class A RV. It is located in Columbia City, in 46,725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 25.4 is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.